Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. External, iconic and aerodynamic design, inspired by the streamlined lines of Ferrari racing cars. The exterior of this motorhome features an aerodynamic design that is both aesthetically beautiful and useful for stability and fuel efficiency. Strong and lightweight materials, aluminum and carbon fiber, two examples of innovative composite materials frequently utilized in airplanes, are two examples. Future lights, both the front and rear lights feature sleek adaptive matrix LED technology. The renowned Ferrari, popularly known as the Prancing Horse, has several significant places. Inside, to reduce eye strain during long workdays, adaptive lighting, a smart lighting system, adjusts color temperature and intensity. Flexible walls include sliding walls or smart glass barriers that can be turned transparent or opaque. Interactive projection screen, a massive LED projection screen or video wall for presentations, data analysis, utilizing an excellent surround sound system. Ergonomic seating, the best comfort during extended sessions is provided by plush leather seats with an ergonomic design. A bed with a memory foam mattress that can be lifted or lowered is called an adaptable bed. This high-end entertainment system features a hidden OLED TV, a hi-fi sound system, and lightning-fast internet connectivity for individual enjoyment and conversation. Individual climate control. Every suite has a climate control system to guarantee the perfect humidity and temperature. This high-tech gourmet kitchen includes a convection oven, smart refrigerator, induction cookware, and a professional-grade espresso coffee maker, informal dining area, comfortable chairs, and a dining table that can be rolled up or enlarged. An intelligent home system driven by artificial intelligence AI, the motorhome's lighting, temperature, audio-visual, security, and even personnel schedules and preferences are all managed by a single artificial intelligence system. With smart glass technology, you can change the opacity of windows, has a 360-degree camera.